Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about 5 ways to monetize your Telegram group or channel. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using Telegram groups or channels to market your business? Are you looking for more ways to make money using your Telegram group or your channel? You can promote your Telegram group or your channel on Telegram ad exchange sites using affiliate marketing, advertising on Telegram, offering paid subscriptions, or selling products or online courses. Telegram ad exchange catalogs allow you to use their website to attract advertisers to place ads on your channel. A popular ads exchange site is Telegram.io. This website is already trusted by thousands of verified channels on Telegram. You can even withdraw funds 3 times a week. You'll get support 24/7, so you don't have to worry about issues with your account. You can also expect to receive orders from large companies that is impossible to attract if you don't use their ad exchange site. You can use Telegram.io to help monetize your Telegram groups or channels that you own. The site is dedicated to advertisers and channel owners. If you are an advertiser, you can choose to sign up as you enable the advertiser option on the top section of the site. If you're a channel owner, then you can enable this option and sign up as a channel owner. And this is one of the ways that you can monetize your Telegram group or channel. First, sell your ad space to advertisers. As a channel owner, you can generate an average income of $500 as you allow advertisers to buy ad space from your channel. Make sure that your channel has tons of subscribers who are really interested in your channel's topic. If you have thousands of subscribers in your Telegram channel, or you have active members in your Telegram group, it can attract potential advertisers to rent ad space on your Telegram channel. Below, you can calculate an estimated revenue per placement on your channel. Just select a topic, then use the slider below to show the estimated number of subscribers on your channel. Using this calculator, you can view a rough estimate of how much you can earn as you start adding your channel to Telegram.io's catalog. Just add a channel to a catalog, and you have to wait for 24 hours to allow your channel to be approved. You can expect to receive notifications for ad placements on your channel. Once your account reaches $10, you can withdraw funds 3 times per week. Another website that you can use to help you promote your channel and attract advertisers is Adsly. Just go to this URL, adsly.me. Next, use affiliate programs. Telegram.io has an affiliate program that allows you to receive additional income every time you attract potential users and they make purchases. The fixed affiliate reward is 3.9%. So whenever a user signed up using your ad exchange link and ordered placement on Telegram channels for this amount, then you can receive 3.9% of this amount, which is a total of this amount. Next, advertise on Telegram. Go to the URL promote.telegram.org. To create ads on the platform, you need to log into your Telegram account. Sponsored messages on Telegram are displayed in large public one-to-many channels that have at least 1,000 subscribers. The text in sponsored messages is limited to 160 characters only. You need an existing Telegram account before using this feature. You'll need to create an organization and link your channel to have the ability to manage ads created by this organization. Once you've created an organization, you can start creating an ad and design your sponsored message, then choose Manage Budget to add funds to your account. When you create an ad, you can write the ad title, ad text, URL of the channel that you want to promote, the price per 1,000 impressions, initial budget, and optional target channel languages, target topics, target specific channels, and lastly, add topics and channels to exclude. Unlike other apps, Telegram will not track users based on their interaction with sponsored messages. It also prevents external links and ads to ensure that third-party apps cannot spy on users. Also, the revenue is shared with channel owners. Next, offer paid subscriptions. You can create a public Telegram channel or group and share relevant content that your target viewers will appreciate. If they want exclusive content, you can offer paid subscriptions to your channel or your group. This way, you can attract users and drive traffic to your public channel or group. And since they're already expecting content from your channel or your group, you can create a post that will invite them and entice them to subscribe to your paid channel to learn more and have access to exclusive content. Next, sell products or online courses. You can create a Telegram group or channel where you promote the products that you are selling. Just upload high-quality photos of products that help showcase the products that you are selling. You can even create content that can be relevant to the products, such as the benefits of using your products. This can help customers with their purchasing decision. You can also earn money if you offer online courses and promote them on your channel or your group. Most people purchase things online and also purchase exclusive content, such as online courses, that they can learn more about. If you need to create landing pages, funnels, lead pages in just a few clicks, we have a marketing app that can help you build a successful online business. You can create beautiful web pages, click and modify, and you don't need to learn how to do coding. You can create funnels with upsells, downsells, or order bumps. You can grab leads and send emails using Cloud Funnels. It also supports all major payment gateways, and you can offer memberships to your customers. With Cloud Funnels, you can create any type of business website, landing page, and funnel. Build your profits using memberships. Profit forever with email marketing. So try Cloud Funnels now. Go to the URL yournextfunnel.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.